I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your number from Giffgaff to 3UK, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Request your PSC code. To start the porting process, you need to get a porting authorization code PSC from Giffgaff. You can request this by texting PSC to 65075 or through your Giffgaff account online. Step 2. Sign up for 3UK. Next, you need to sign up for a 3UK plan. You can do this online or in store. Make sure you have your new SIM card ready. Step 3. Provide your PSC code. Once you have your 3UK SIM, you will need to provide your PSC code during the activation process. This can usually be done online or via the 3 app. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After submitting your PSC code, it usually takes up to 1 working day for your number to be transferred. Keep your Giffgaff SIM in until the transfer is complete. Step 5. Confirm the porting. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation from 3. Check that your number is working correctly by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter any issues, double check that you entered the PSC code correctly during the activation. Happy switching!